And for our part 2, factor this using Berry method. First thing we do is to find our A, B, and C. This is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. So A equals 1. There's an imaginary one here, our X. And our B is 2. Then our C is negative 3. After that, we will going to multiply A and C. Multiply A and C equals RA is 1 multiplied by RC. RC is negative 3. Then the answer is negative 3. In order to factor this, think of a number that if you're going to add them, the answer is RB. And if you are going to multiply them, the answer is the value of R is the product of our A times C. Again, think of a number that if you're going to add them, the answer will be RB. And if you're going to multiply them, the product will be the product of our A times C. Therefore, the answer is x plus 3, x minus 1. Let me explain. If you add positive 3 and negative 1, the answer is RB. The answer is 2. Then if you multiply positive 3 and negative 1, the answer is the product of our A times C, negative 3. So this is the factor for this equation. This is the factor for our number 1. Okay, let's check if we get it right. X times x is x squared. Then x times negative 1 is negative x. Then 3 times x is positive 3x. Then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Combine the like terms. Negative x is positive 3x. Since they are different, they have different sign, we're going to subtract them, and hence our hence 3 is bigger than 1, then we will use its sign positive. Positive, subtract negative x minus 3, we'll have 2x, then copy negative 3. So they're the same. Correct. For our number 2, same process. Well, let's find our A. Our A is 1. Our B is 5. And our C is negative 6. Multiply A and C. 1 times negative 6 equals negative 6. Then let's again think of a number that if you're going to multiply them, the answer will be negative 6. And if you're going to add them, the answer is our B. The answer is 5. Then, therefore, the answer is x plus 6, x minus 1. Why? Because, as what I've said earlier, think of a number that if you're going to add them, the answer is our B. Then if you're going to multiply them, the answer is the product of our A times C. Okay, then let's check if it is right. X times x is x squared. Then x times negative 1 is negative x. Then 6 times x equals 6x. Then 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Combine the like terms. They have different sign. We're going to subtract them. Then, hence positive is bigger. Positive is bigger. We're going to use the sign positive. Negative x plus positive 6x. The answer is 5x minus 6. For 3 and 4, I have a technique that for me, using Beer method will take a lot of time. So, I have a technique. Just think of a number that if you're going to add, the answer is the answer is positive 6. And if you're going to multiply them, the answer is 9. So easy. Just think of two numbers that if you're going to add them, the answer is positive 6. And if you're going to multiply them, the answer is positive 9. Therefore, the answer is x plus 3 times x plus 3. Again, if you're going to add them, we'll have the answer 6. If you're going to multiply them, we'll have the answer 9. It's so very easy. Okay, then let's check if we are correct. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Then 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. Combine the like terms. Copy x squared. Then since they are both positive, we're going to add them. Positive 6x and plus 9. Next, for number 4. For our number 4, we'll use again. Then for our number 4, let's use again my technique to find the factor of this. Then, as I've said to number 3, just think of two numbers that if you're going to add them, the answer is negative 8. If you're going to multiply them, the answer is positive 15. Just think. It's so very easy. Therefore, the answer is x plus x minus 3 times x minus 5. Then if you're going to add them, we'll have the answer 8. Negative 3 plus negative 5 is negative 8. If you're going to multiply them, we'll have the answer 15. Negative 3 times negative 5 is 15. Negative negative is positive. Then let's check if it is correct. X times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Then negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. Then combine the like terms, copy x squared, and since they are both negative, we're going to add them. The answer is negative 8x, copy 50. For number 5, let's find first our A, B, and C. Our A is 2, our B is 1, and our C equals negative 6. Then A times C equals A is 2 and our 6. The answer is negative 12. And for our number 5s, since there is a 2 here, our steps will be changed by a little. First, we will going to find a 2 number that if we were going to multiply, the answer is negative 12. Then we have 6 and negative 2. X plus 6, x minus 2. The difference is, since we have 2 here, we're going to divide this. We're going to simplify this. Then 2 divided by 6 is 3. So this will become x plus 3, then copy x minus 2. Then let's try if it is correct. X times x is x squared. X minus 2, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Then 3 times x is 3x. Then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Combine the like terms, x squared. Since we will be adding negative and positive, we're going to subtract these two. Hence, the positive sign is bigger. We're going to use the sign positive. Negative 2x minus 3x will have the answer 1. So 1, then x, then copy 6.